matter what happens there, I think we're in for very great difficulty. We already have over 1 million refugees who've crossed the border. And it's upset the economy of the area, the political life. It just upset things completely. And we don't want to be saddled with these people for good. It's all right, we're willing to help out to keep them while their lives and their homes are in danger. But we think they should go back after it's all over.
Well, what would they go back to, though? What if Pakistan were still, if West Pakistan were still occupying or being difficult to East Pakistan?
It has to be worked out somehow.
Yes.
Because we certainly can't afford to add to our population. Now, one small town, the population of which is 7,000, 4 days ago they had 60,000 refugees. So you can understand all schools, hospitals, shops, everything was occupied. They just didn't know where they were.
इंदिरा गांधी ने यह बात बार बार उस वक्त दोहराई थी कि बांग्लादेश से आने वाले शरणार्थी का बोझ भारत नहीं उठा सकता, उन्हें वापस जाना ही होगा। एक और इंटरव्यू में इंदिरा गांधी ने क्या कहा था इसी मुद्दे पर, वो भी सुनिए।
Refugees are still coming over and you have this enormous problem in India. How much longer can you sustain this?
We can't sustain it now longer. It's now for some months it really has been something that's, water going higher and higher.
What are you going to do about it?
Something will have to be done. One thing I must say, that I'm absolutely determined that all the refugees of all religions must go back. We are not going to absorb them in our population.